I'm Bill from Aztec Products, and we're here at GMBB Janitorial today. Just want to talk about a couple of pieces of our equipment that are available from GMB. Also, these guys are a service partner as well, so sales and service. First is our LowRider propane-powered high-speed burnisher called the LowRider. This is a 27-inch machine with a Kawasaki 20 horsepower engine, which is converted to run liquid propane gas, clean burning propane, designed and built for indoor use, 2,000 RPMs, high-speed burnisher. This is the 27-inch size. We also have a 24 and a 21-inch. They all have the same engine, just a little bit smaller in size. This particular model has the dust control upgrade. And what that includes is there's a floating dust skirt, which helps trap debris underneath the machine when it's spinning. And that has a collection hose, which goes to the back of the machine, and all the material and debris is pushed up into this collection box, which has a vacuum cleaner bag inside, which when it gets filled up, you can just change it and put a new one in. It's a passive system, but with the dust skirt and the collection system, it helps prevent debris from flying freely in the store. Again, it's a high-speed propane floor burnisher, high productivity. It's rated at a higher rate of productivity for floor burnishing than when you're using a battery-powered or a plug-in electric. Very simple to use. You basically tilt your machine back, you put your throttle on low, and you'll turn your key to start the machine. Once the machine starts, you'll lower the burnisher to the floor and throttle forward to full speed as you begin walking. And then you can run up and down the hallways, the shopping aisles, or the large spaces that you want to high-speed burnish. Again, Aztec, LowRider. This has the dust control upgrade. You can also get other accessory. It's an emissions monitor, which monitors the emissions. It has a connection to the engine so that if your machine is out of service and the emissions increase, it'll automatically shut the machine down. That's an additional safety feature you can add to the machine. It adds about $160, $170 to the cost. As I said, this model has the dust control package, but you can get the base model without dust control in all three sizes. The other option that you can get for this machine is what's called a clutch. So right now on your base model, when you start the machine, the pad automatically starts spinning. If you have a clutch installed, you could start the machine in the down position, and when you start, the pad will not be spinning. That's because there's a clutch installed. When you get your throttle over 50% throttle, the pad will start to spin. So you'll basically throttle up and start walking as the pad starts to spin. If for some reason in the course of your burnishing, you have to stop, you can throttle back, and once you come back below 50%, the clutch disengages and the pad stops spinning. Or you could just tilt the machine, raise the pad off the floor, and throttle back. Either way, once you get below 50% throttle, the pad will stop spinning if you have a clutch installed. If you don't, whenever you're starting the machine, you have the machine tilted back off the floor, and then when you want to stop it, you'll tilt it back again and throttle it down. Uses a standard 20-pound steel commercial floor cleaning equipment propane tank. The propane is the same liquid propane that you'll find in any a forklift or barbecue grill. The difference is there's a special valve on commercial floor cleaning tanks which provides for a vapor release. So you can't use your barbecue grill tank on commercial floor cleaning equipment because the barbecue tank is liquid release. The commercial equipment uses a vapor release. So you have to make sure you have a vapor release propane tank. And that's basically it for the high-speed burnisher, the LowRider. Thank you.